Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's get started, and yes, please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Aquarians. So on your side we have the Three of Cups. Okay, let's see what's there on your person side. The Empress, the most likely outcome. So what are you wondering for then? Seven of Pentacles. So here you are celebrating, feeling very happy, celebrating with this person or celebrating with your family and friends. But yes, it can be a reunion, it can be rejoicing with family and friends or with this person. Yes, it can be a reunion also. And here with the Empress, definitely somebody is having a new beginning over here. And in full power, feeling good about themselves and having a lot of abundance. And here with the Seven of Pentacles, it's like investing in this relationship, since it is a relationship reading, investing a lot, but really wondering what next, what's going to happen, or what is the outcome. Let's see what is it all about. Let's see why is this Three of Cups here for Aquarians. So for the Three of Cups, oh, we have the Seven of Cups, the Magician, the Seven of Pentacles again, and the Temperance, Ace of Cups. So definitely somebody is trying to make up their mind, I feel. The Two of Wands. Okay, let's see what's this Empress about. What's this Empress about? So for the Empress, we have the Five of Wands, the Fool, the Four of Cups, and the Star, Seven of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Page of Swords, okay, Page of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Healing, okay. Let's see what is the Seven of Pentacles about. Why is the Seven of Pentacles here for? So for the Seven of Pentacles, so we have the Nine of Swords, the Strength, the King of Wands, the Hermit, the Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, the High Priestess. I really don't think anybody is taking any action here. Tower, the Ten of Wands. So what I feel is, again the Five of Wands was coming up, so there's no point. I'm not adding anything to the reading here. So let's start. So here, as I said, celebrations, maybe reunions, but now I really don't feel it is a reunion. I think it is just being focused on your own happiness, maybe partying, celebrating, something like that, a friendly type of a vibe. That's what I'm getting over here. And here we have the Seven of Cups, the Magician, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Temperance, with the Ace of Cups and the Two of Wands. So with the Seven of Cups, somebody here is definitely confused. This person is not able to make up their mind as to what to choose, what not to choose, or what should I do with my life. Can be because what I feel here is there is something, this person, see, it can be a third party also, because There we have the Seven of Swords also. So maybe it is a love triangle somewhere for whosoever it resonates with, but otherwise it is maybe this person is too focused on their own partying and celebrations and not able to make up their mind. Either this person has a lot of choices and that is why they are not able to make up their mind. But what I feel here is with the Magician and the Seven of Pentacles following it is the Temperance, what I feel is this person is trying to make up their mind. Okay, so maybe they are not able to make up their mind, they are confused. But with the Magician, the Seven of Pentacles and the Temperance, what I feel here is that this person is definitely trying to sort out or come to a decision and make a decision. This person is definitely trying to, definitely with the Seven of Pentacles, this person is reviewing, contemplating, and here that is what this person is just which one should I pick. And here also that is what they are trying to understand as to what is right for me, sort of. And they just want to perhaps choose the right one and they are not able to come to a decision, but they are manifesting it. So they are trying hard to decide. And with the Temperance, what I feel is that yes, their eyes here, they are looking down, trying to just choose and understand what to do, what is the right thing for me or the right person for me. And here they are looking up as if they have made up their mind to some extent as to whom they are supposed to open up, to whom they are supposed to, or they want to share their emotions with, or open or who is the right one, sort of, I can say. Here from the Seven of Cups coming to the Ace of Cups, so they have made up their mind as to, yeah, this is the one. And with the Two of Wands, what I feel here is it can be this person's energy who is waiting for this decision. It can be that, or it can be that with the Two of Wands they have it's still they are sort of waiting as to, okay, now I've made up my mind, and now I'm ready to embark on a new journey or ready to move forward. It can be as simple as that. Okay, now I'm ready, this is my decision, I have to go in this direction. Okay, now because Two of Wands also talks about options. It can be that, and ready for a new journey. It can be that also. Otherwise, it can be, let's see what it is on this side. It can be that this person was waiting for a decision from this person, because here we have the Empress also. So it can go both ways. But definitely this person is trying to make a decision and they are sort of in that process. Okay. And here we have the Empress ready for a new beginning, manifesting something new, and that is the energy is being doubled by this Fool card also. So this is we have the Five of Wands, the Fool, the Four of Cups, the Star, Four of Swords, the Seven of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. So with the Five of Wands, there is some confusion and conflict here also, maybe an argument, or maybe there was this indecisiveness on this aspect was causing some sort of confusion or conflict between both of you or in their own head. But yes, this person is ready to start new. That is what they want. They want to overcome or come out of this Five of Wands energy, which makes them upset. Okay, this person feels upset because perhaps this conflict or this indecision, what if it is on your side, there is some conflict over here, some confusion here, and this person feels upset because of that, and they don't want to deal with it. They want a new beginning. Perhaps it can be that if there was a conflict between both of you, then this person, this conflict makes him upset, and this person, since we have the Star and the Empress with the Fool, what I feel, this person wishes you, sees you as their wish fulfillment, and they really want their dreams to come true, this dream to come true. So maybe they are ready for a new beginning with you, or giving it a second chance, whatever it is. It can be that, or it can be that yes, whatever make them upset, they are ready to leave it behind and move forward for the new beginning, and that is what they are healing from. With the Four of Swords, there has been some deception over here, and maybe that was the conflict. Maybe because you were not able to make up your mind, so this person was in a situation as if information is being hidden from them or emotions are being hidden from them. So it can be that. So and maybe that was the conflict reason for the conflict also. So definitely some things were being hidden, things were not very clear to this person over here, and maybe this clarity was because of the Seven of Swords. You had multiple options, somebody here has multiple options, and this person felt sort of cheated in that aspect because you were not committing to them. It can be that also, and that was the reason for this conflict in their head, which was upsetting them. So maybe either this person is ready to have a new beginning with you or without you, I really don't know. But yes, this person is really sort of they don't want to deal with this upsetting and this negative energy anymore. That's what it is. And here we have the Two of Pentacles. So it is maybe that they were feeling juggled. They felt that your indecisiveness was affecting them. They were not able to make up their mind or understand as to where they stand in this relationship. But because with the Seven of Swords, definitely they felt cheated. And maybe actually to some extent it is because you were not able to make up your mind. You really had many options, somebody here, and when you have many options, so you're not committing to them. So they were not the only one. That's what they felt. They felt juggled, and they themselves also didn't understand as to what to do and where they stand in this relationship. But they want a new beginning with you or without you, I really don't know. Somebody here is making up their mind with them or with whom. Let's see if I can get that. And with the Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles, yes, some clarity is coming in and small steps are being taken in the direction of this new beginning. As the most likely outcome is the Seven of Pentacles. So again, that contemplation as to what to do. They've invested so much, and does it really make a move? Does this relationship move ahead? Because at the end, this person has made a decision, but I really don't see any action being taken as such on this side. And that is what is bothering this person on this side, that is there any action being taken. But what the actions over here with the Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles seem to be on their new beginning, which they are trying to manifest in their own life. And here we have for the Seven of Pentacles, we have the Nine of Swords, which is a lot of anxiety, a lot of tension. They're dealing, it's becoming a really taxing for them. With the strength, they're really dealing with it in some way. With the King of Wands, the Hermit once again, the Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, High Priestess, Tower, and the Ten of Wands. So there is a lot of anxiety. Definitely this situation is really taking a toll on somebody over here. With the King of Wands, the Hermit, the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Cups, Hermit and the High Priestess, Tower, and the Ten of Wands. So we have the Hermit, we have the High Priestess. So what I feel here is with the King of Wands, and the King of Cups, definitely passion and emotions are there in this situation, but it is not moving. The action which is being taken is like that of a Knight of Pentacles, which is very, very slow. Like love is there, passion is there, but still you are not making a move. With the High Priestess and the Hermit, both of them being there, something is stopping you from moving forward, or both of you, or somebody is there. But because there is a lot of intuition and listening to the inner voice, but I really don't know what it is all about. But somebody is being, in spite of emotions and passion being there and love being there with the Knight of Pentacles, the movement is too slow for the other person to even understand as to is it really there. And the High Priestess and the Hermit being there is total inaction. Definitely nobody is making a move. The relationship is definitely not moving forward. And intuition is, it's like yes, your intuition is guiding you, both of you or one of you, but things are not moving definitely. And this inaction comes as a Tower moment for the other person, whosoever it is who's waiting. Okay, and they are now ready to leave the situation because it's been enough. They really don't want to deal with it anymore. And this person, maybe you have made those small moves, or it has moved here to some extent with the Knight, because the Knight is there. So the action which has been taken, or the movement which has, the way it has progressed, is too slow for the other person to stay in this relationship. Okay, so and that is what is coming as an unexpected thing for them, and they really are fed up with it. And this person is ready to leave now, and that is what they are doing. I see them leaving the situation. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Aquarians. choose love. You always have a choice. Make yours with love. Number 21 may be of some significance for you. So things are not happening over here, and this person is choosing self love. As I said, this is a small steps taken towards their own happiness. They are choosing love. You are supposed to choose love. That is what it is. Okay, so love yourself. That's what I would say in this situation, because I really don't see anybody is actually investing in this situation, Aquarians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.